Springtime and sunshine are here, which makes me think of drinking a refreshing beverage chilling on a patio. Here's one fragrant and savory libation designed just for that. The Spring Fling is a combination of 1.5 ounces HENDRICK'S gin, half an ounce Lillet Blanc, half an ounce pickling liquid, half an ounce lemon juice, and 3 dashes PEYCHAUD'S bitters. Ice your glass. Add ice to your mixing glass, then shake. Strain over ice. Spoon a good helping of pickled cabbage over top. Top up with soda, and stir. Garnish with fresh fennel fronds. The Spring Fling is a great alternative to drinking Caesars.